Hi, ma'am. So this is my report. Plan designed experiments. So, objectives. Learn about do's and preparation for planning and carrying out experiments to improve the problem process. And design in detail the experiments required by the project. Okay. Number 1. Conduct fractional factorial screening experiments. You must perform fractional factorial screening experiments to reduce further the list of input variables to the vital few that strongly contribute to the output of interest. Okay. Number 2. Conduct further experiments, if necessary, to develop mathematical model and optimize performance. Multiple factors are examined at only two levels to obtain information economically with relatively few experimental runs. Constructing equations that predict the effect on output y of a given causal factor x, discover precise mathematical relationships between x and y. If necessary, perform full factorial experiments. More information is provided by two factorial experiments, and a full factorial experiment produces the same type of information as 2k factorial does. So, we must utilize RSM and EVOPS techniques to further assist in determining optimal process parameters. Okay, number 3. Evaluate alternatives and choose optimal improvements. You must identify a broad range of possible improvements and agree on a criteria against which to evaluate the improvements and onto the relative weight each criterion will have. You must also evaluate the improvements using agreed upon criteria and agree on the most suitable improvements. So number 4, design the improvements. You must evaluate the improvements against the projected goal, verify that it will meet project goals, identify the following customers, determine customer needs with respect to improvements, determine the following required resources like people, money, time, and materials, specify procedures and other changes required, assess human resource requirements, especially training, verify that the design of the improvement meets customer needs, and plan to deal with any cultural resistance to change. So number 5, improve deliverables. Huh? Okay, repeat. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay. To read number 5, we call on Geneva Aleta. Yan na lang.
Yes, hello, ma'am. So to improve deliverables, you must plan for designed experiments. 2. Reduce list of vital few inputs. 3. Mathematical prediction models. 4. Establish process parameter settings. 5th, design improvements. 6. Implementation plan. And last, plans to deal with cultural resistance.
Thank you. Okay, next. Control phase. Oh my God, ang dami, ma'am. So to summarize, design controls and document improved process. Design for culture, validate the measurement system, establish the process capability, and implement and monitor. Okay. Next is design controls and document improved process. Update FMEAA to ensure that no necessary control have been overlooked. Mistake-proof the improvements if possible, and identify the kinds of tactics that can be incorporated to the improvements to make it mistake-proof. That will be all. Thank you, ma'am. I hope perfect yan. Okay. See you sa AMV. Ay, mwah, mwah, mwah.